Troubleshooting an LG dishwasher button that won't respond. If a button on your LG dishwasher is not responding, this may indicate that a particular setting or option is not available for the selected cycle. Before we troubleshoot, here's a question: has the cycle already started? If no, proceed to question 2 at 51 seconds. If yes, this may happen for a couple of reasons. If the child lock is on, changes cannot be made to the cycle once it has begun. The child lock indicator should be illuminated in the control panel if this is the case. Also, options cannot be added once the cycle has started. Be sure to set any desired options before you close and latch the door. Question 2. Are you unable to select certain options? If you cannot select certain options, note that not all options are available with every cycle, and not all options can be selected at the same times. Please refer to the cycle guide in your owner's manual to see which options are available with specific cycles. However, if the unit powers on but none of the buttons respond, then the unit may require service. Before you contact LG, please determine whether there are any additional symptoms, such as error displays, that may require troubleshooting. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.